Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today guys, we are going to replace the spark plug for this 2010 Kia Soul 4U with a 2.0 liters engine. So guys, join me today and let's fix some cars. So guys, in replacing spark plug for a Kia Soul 2010 4U, it's pretty straightforward. So as you can see in here guys, it was on the top of the engine. There's no intake manifold that cover it, so it's pretty easy to do it. So just pull every single spark plug wire and there you go. Okay, there you go guys. And now we could remove those 4 spark plug. And guys, I'm using 5/8. Yeah, it's a 5/8 spark plug socket. Okay. Then after I loosen it, I'm gonna use my cordless ratchet. So I'm using my cordless ratchet to make my job faster. And there you go. One down. See that guys? You can also use this one, but loosen it first. Then after you loosen it, then there you go. Look at the rust. Second one. Okay. Sometimes guys, it's a little bit tight. Now it's loose. Alright, third one. Oh my god, it's really rusted. And look at that. Guys, the last one. Last one. This one too. It's not that bad, but still needs replacement. Alright, let's put back the new spark plug. So by the way guys, they use an, oh, I don't know if you could see it, it's an NGK spark plug, and I'm also using NGK G Platinum spark plug. So again guys, in putting this spark plug is also straightforward. Just grab one new spark plug and then let's sneak it in here, then start putting it on. So start with the hand tight first. And guys, use a ratchet, don't use a cordless ratchet anymore, so you can feel it. Don't over tighten it. There you go. This is how I tighten it, guys. Just put your hand in here, so you won't be over torque it. Don't grab it from here, otherwise you have so much leverage and you might over torque it. There you go. One down, then 3 more to go. Okay, second one. Same process. You start with the hand tight. And then use your ratchet. Now it's tight. There you go. Okay guys, third one. Alright. Okay, that's good enough. Then last one. Last one for the spark plug. Again, hand tight first. Then the ratchet. There you go. Actually, you can feel it when it's already snug and tight. Then just double check your work. That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. That's it. And now, guys, we can put back the spark plug wires. Start from here. You also, guys, before you put it on, inspect this, spark plug wire. Clean it up. I did already clean this. So there you go. Then just push it and you can hear a click. There you go. There you go. There you go. So guys, that's how you replace a spark plug for a 2010 Kia Soul with a 2.0 liters engine for you. So guys, if you have any question, any suggestion, please comment down below. And guys, please consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.